I'm David Chapman here with Automotive. What we've got here is a 2018 Chevy Silverado. This is the crew cab half-ton LT. So if you come up front, you'll see that the front end is painted to match the rest of the vehicle. That's part of the Z71 package on the Silverados now. Some of the things we've done is ordered it with the black bow tie. It's a nice effect for looks. We've put the hood protector on here. Also nice, kind of complements the black. This is an aftermarket lift that we did here in-house. New for 2018, we've started to take on more of the custom lift stuff with tires, wheels, and they are true suspension lifts, so it's not a body lift, which is nice. Here in South Dakota, sometimes they have a little more clearance, which this lift provides you with. Obviously, when you lift the vehicle an additional 4 or 5 inches off the ground, you're going to need running boards. So these are a GM running board here, 4-inch round. We do sell those here in our accessory department in the Toyota building. And then we've also put on mud guards. And if we creep over here to the inside, the vehicle is super, super nice. Lots of options, lots of technology. Heated cloth seats, which is a nice option. And then this being a full crew cab, you'll see that the back seat, nice and folded up, you got a lot of room for cargo. On the back here, we have tonneau cover, which is nice because you can keep your goods covered from snow or even theft. It's kind of nice to have. So most of our customers who buy pickup trucks do that. These are aftermarket custom wheels. These are a 20-inch wheel. Looks really, really nice on the truck, and with the rest of the black and chrome, really ties in nice. But this is just an example of what we offer for customization of your vehicle. Silverado is our #1 selling vehicle, and there's a good reason why. They're beautiful trucks. We're located right on the corner of 212 and Highway 20 here in Watertown. Stop on in and we'd be happy to take a look at customizing your vehicle.